Welcome the our channel. Today we how to enable location search with Google Places in Bubble step by step clearly. To enable location search with Google Places in Bubble, start by logging into your Bubble account. Open the editor for the application where you want to implement location search. Navigate to the Plugins tab on the left panel. Click on the Add Plugins button at the top right corner. In the search bar, type Google Places. Locate the Google Places plugin from the search results. Click on the Install button to add the plugin to your application. Once installed, close the plugin window. Next, return to your app's design view. Add an input element to your page where users can enter their location. Label the input field to indicate that it's for location search. Select the input field and head to the property editor on the right. In the Property Editor, scroll down to the Plugins section. Locate the Google Places options and enable it for your input field. Customize the options as desired, such as limiting the types of places users can search for. Now, switch to your app's Workflow tab. Create a new workflow for when the user submits the location search. Add an action to the workflow that retrieves location data using the Google Places API. Set up the action to display the results on your page. Return to the design view and add a repeating group element to show the search results. Link the repeating group to the data source from the workflow. Customize the layout of the repeating group to suit your design. Preview your application to test the location search functionality. Type a location into the input field and observe the results in the repeating group. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. Once you're satisfied, save your changes and prepare for deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.